Understanding slip sliding away, a phrase exploration. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a fascinating phrase, slip sliding away. This expression isn't just a set of words, it's a journey into the richness of English idioms. So, let's explore its meaning, usage, and origins together. Slip sliding away is an idiomatic expression that vividly describes a situation where something is gradually but steadily losing control or slipping out of grasp. Imagine trying to hold on to something on a slippery surface. No matter how hard you try, it just keeps sliding away from you. This phrase is often used metaphorically to talk about goals, opportunities, or situations that are slowly becoming unattainable or out of reach. The phrase gained popularity from a song of the same name by Paul Simon, released in 1977. However, its usage has transcended music and entered everyday language. It's commonly used in contexts where someone is talking about missed opportunities or the elusive nature of certain goals or desires. For example, despite all his efforts, his dream of becoming a professional athlete was slip sliding away. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. As the deadline approached, her chances of finishing the project on time were slip sliding away. 2. He felt his grasp on the championship title slip sliding away after the injury. 3. With each passing day, her childhood memories seemed to be slip sliding away. There are other phrases in English that convey a similar meaning. For instance, slipping through my fingers, getting away from me, eluding one's grasp. These phrases also describe the feeling of losing control over a situation or not being able to hold on to something important. I hope this exploration of slip sliding away has been insightful. It's a phrase that beautifully captures the essence of losing grip on something, whether it be a dream, a goal, or a tangible object. Remember, English is full of such vivid expressions that make the language rich and enjoyable to learn. Keep exploring, and see you in the next video.